Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will install Equalizer APO and immediately route sound through it. First, pick the exact output device you want to shape and enable APO for that device. This ensures changes actually apply. Once done, restart the audio service or log out and back in so drivers load cleanly. Make sure sample rate and channel count match your player settings to avoid resampling. If you need a quick verification, play a test tone while watching the system audio meter to confirm audio passes through APO. You will build a practical filter chain now. Start with a preamp to set headroom, then add parametric EQ bands for corrective cuts at problem frequencies and gentle boosts where needed. Choose Q to control bandwidth so you don't create ringing. Once done, place any graphic equalizer or shelving filters for tonal shaping, and if you use convolution, load impulses at the end of the chain so they're affected by prior corrections. Make sure to toggle modules on and off to compare changes while listening. You will finalize and back up your work. First, perform A/B tests with matched loudness so you judge tonal changes rather than volume differences. Switch presets quickly to identify improvements. Once satisfied, save the configuration under a clear name and export the file so you can reuse it on other systems. If audio disappears or APO appears inactive, make sure the correct device is selected, restart the Windows audio service or log out, and rerun the installer repair option. That fixes most routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.